Hey guys, it's Tats here from Castagra. And what's on your mind? It's one of the questions that we ask in some of the meetings we start. And yeah, I think with all the stuff that's available online, all the webinars, all the content, for me, I get a bit overwhelmed with the amount of information, all the cool stuff that I can go and try to execute. And one of the things that I always have to remember is at some point you're going to have to trim it down to what's most important or what's even possible. I have simplicity down as a core value for a reason. And if you want to be effective, you can't take one step in 20 different directions. You have to take 20 steps in one direction. And I know when you're trying to commit to one thing, fear sets in and you're thinking maybe that you're missing out on something else by just doing this one thing. But at the end of the day, if you start to go in too many directions, you just end up with nothing. And it's something that I constantly have to remind myself, and I catch myself doing. And I'm lucky, so fortunate to have a bunch of people around me that watch when I do that and basically helps sort of focus that effort. But yeah, I think there is so much access to great information, so many great thinkers. They commonly say that you always want to be the dumbest person in the room, or you want to surround yourself with smart people, however you want to say it. And it's so easy to do that. I mean, you can attend all these mastermind webinars. You can even go on Twitter or social and follow these people that have great ideas. And it just kind of it just kind of absorbs into you, or ideas fall off, or you discover them. It just naturally happens. I don't think there's any excuse for anyone to do that. You just have to be very, very careful on what you pursue and what you don't pursue. So I think that's something that I've been thinking about more lately, especially since the amount of content that people are giving away online these days is massive. It's just to calm down, pick and choose, and understand you can't execute everything, that you're not missing out by just focusing on one thing, and that ultimately you're going to be way more effective when you're pushing forward in one direction. Anyways, it's Tats here. I hope that's helpful, and I'll talk to you again soon.